Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to write e, d, id sound words. So, first of all, you will write the date in this corner. Write down 7.7.2021. In the first line, you will write day. Today is Wednesday. So, write down Wednesday in this line. Wednesday. Wednesday. Now, in the next line, you will write the heading E, the, id sound words. SOUND sound words. WORDS words. Id sound words. Okay. Number one, hid. H E D hid. H E D hid. Look, children, H is a giraffe letter, so it will touch with this upper red line. I is a chicken letter, so we will write it in between the two blue lines. And D is also a giraffe letter, so it will touch with this upper red line. H E D hid. Number two, rid. R E D rid. R E D rid. Number three, kid. K E D kid. Let's draw a picture of a kid. Draw a circle. This. Yes. Two beautiful eyes. Nose. Smile. Yes, this is a picture of a kid. Number four, did. D E D did. D E D did. Look, children, we are writing while joining the tails of the letters. Okay. Number five, lid. L E D lid. L E D lid. Let's draw a picture of a lid. Okay. Yes. Draw a sleeping line. Draw like this. Very good. Good job. This is a picture of a lid. Okay. Let's revise these words. H E D hid. R E D rid. K E D kid. D E D did. L E D lid. Very nice. Very good. So like this, you will also do this work in your English notebook. Okay. Bye bye.